Welcome back, everybody. Today is the day that I'm going to finally open the new 2020 through 21 Donruss basketball. Comes with 88 cards, 11, just like with the hoops, 11 packs, 8 cards in each, I'm guessing. So, I'm finally glad to open something other than hoops. I'm not tired of opening them. I love opening them, but I want to see something new. So, these are somewhat-ish new. They've been out for a little bit. I just have not been able to get any. They've been a little scarce, but I've been able to get the Pokemon, of course. But who wants to watch that when we can watch of the new Donruss being opened? So, without further ado, I never actually even read this. 50 rated rookies. Alright, let's add to my full set that I already have from Hoops. Now that's what I like to see. I like to see a full box. Let's see if we can feel around for a memorabilia card. Hopefully we get an auto. These are pretty thick. Alright, all of them are pretty thick. Nope, there's the big one. There's the memorabilia. Alright. Hoping for an auto. Oh well. Put these back. Give it the nice old shuffle. Alright. Let's see. I would love to at least get one LaMelo ball. So let's hope for that. But let's see what these cards look like. Alright. New stuff. Lonnie Walker the 4th. Okay. Joe Ingles. Jeff Teague. Was that Jarrett or Garrett Culver? Domantas Sabonis. And who is this? Now playing Zion Williamson. Okay. Then we have Peyton Pritchard and Tyrese Maxey as our rated rookies. So, cool. Got us a Zion. Oh man, that's flying. I think this is the fat pack. So, yeah, okay. I hope we didn't see the back already. But we have Brandon Clark, Tristan Thompson, Montrezl Harrell. Who is this? Dylan Brooks. Okay, what do we got? Oh, well, duh, it's already there. Ooh. Here is our card, jersey card. Lauri Markkanen. Yeah. Could have been better, but oh well. Okay, we have Josh Green, Great Expectations rookie. We have not even gonna try. And Isaiah Stewart. Alright. Put all this. Alright. Now that we got that jersey card out of the way, focus on the rookies. So we got Danny Green, Kyle Lowry, Brandon Ingram, Kevin Durant. Oh man, they keep turning these. Okay, Josh Jackson. And Lakers. Danny Green. That's shiny. I'm liking that. And for our rookies, Jordan Nwora and Theo Meldon. Alright. I'm going to sleeve this orange one. That's fancy looking. And let's move on. Oof. Alright, we have Devin Booker, Zach Levine, Jordan Clarkson, Klay Thompson, Seth Curry, and we have now featuring LeBron James. That's dope. And Malachi Flynn and RJ Hampton as our rookies. So far, nothing too exciting. But we still got 7 to go. So we got potential. There's potential in here. We have Jason Tatum, Daniel House Jr., Christian Wood, PJ Washington Jr., LaMarcus Aldridge. Okay. Joel Embiid, power in the paint. There's a Devin Vassell, rookie, and Obi Toppin. All right. Starting to see little familiar faces there. All right. Trae Young, Carmelo Anthony, cool. Kyrie Irving, Jaren Jackson Jr., Matisse Thybulle, that's what I'm going to guess, and Derrick Rose, now playing franchise, and Elijah Hughes, and Robert Woodard the second for our rookies. Okay. Moving on. See if we can get some real greatness. Still not satisfied. We have Rue Holiday, Spencer Dinwiddie, Shea Gilgeous Alexander. That was butchered. Bismack Biyombo. Oh God. Aaron Baines. And we have a complete players, Ben Simmons. Okay, here we go. We have Anthony Edwards, rated rookie, and Kenyon Martin Jr. So we've got Anthony Edwards now. Let's see. Next pack of this, we got 4 more packs to open. Al Horford, Jay Chowder, Josh Hart, Tim Hardaway Jr., Pascal Siakam. Okay, a hollow, almost hollow. That looks like James Harden. Fantasy Stars. Josh Green rookie. And Kira Lewis Jr. as our rookies. Alright. I have a feeling that the LaMelo Ball is just out of our reach today with these Donruss, unfortunately, but it's not over till it's over. We have Troy Brown Jr., Nemanja Bjelica, whatever. That was destroyed. Thomas Bryant. Dante DiVincenzo. Russell Westbrook. And Detroit Pistons rated rookie. Killian Hayes. Jalen Smith. And there we, yes. LaMelo Ball. There's my boy. Put him in there. I am now satisfied. Very satisfied with that. We're gonna put the other rookie and put this one in a sleeve. Alright, now I don't care too much what we get. I'm very satisfied. But maybe we still need to get a Wiseman. I think I just destroyed these cards. Alright. We have Harry Giles III, Alfred Payton, Chris Paul, Dorian Finney-Smith, Bojan something. And what do we got here? Eric Gordon. Cassius Stanley rookie. And Ramsey. Alright. We'll sleeve the orange. And we will open our last optic packs. It has been amazing opening these. I'm still having fun. And to finish this off, we have Canavius Caldwell Pope, Chris Dunn, Nerlens Noel, we have a DeAndre Ayton, Patty Mills, and it's not a rookie. It was the Hornets though, Devontae Graham. Another Hornet. Vernon Carey Jr. And Udoka not gonna say it. Alright. So we ended up getting some decent stuff. Or some close to decent. I will always take a LaMelo. And I'm so glad to pull one out of my first blaster. Put him there. Oh, we need to put Anthony Edwards in a sleeve. So that's our hits. There's our big hit, and littler hit is just what I know. So that was fun. I think that'll be it for the sports for a while, unless I somehow get lucky and get some more. But other than that, I will see you next time.